I wanted to show you how I make barn doors and have a client that we're making barn doors for, and they have a doorway into a bathroom that's offset on the wall. So it was difficult to figure out if I needed to make both doors equal size or not. And I finally was able to come up with a way to do it that we can make them equal size, and so that they'll open properly and stuff. And so the way that I have made these is, and this is a finished one right here on this left side. I use 1/2 inch plywood to make the main body, and then I cut 2.5 inch stiles going up, and then a 6.5 inch rail at the bottom, and then a 4.5 inch rail about 39 inches up, and then the top rail is 2.5. And then on the outside of everything, I took and put a trim strip of 3/4 board. And I did that so that I could have a dado made in the bottom. And so I'm going to make a little T bracket that will sit on the floor, and the door will just slide back and forth on, so that it will be flush with the other door. And so I took and have already attached this 2.5 inch style, and then I wanted to show you that I don't have these glued on yet, and that you can just take and glue them on and then tack them in with some 18 gauge 1-inch nails, and they'll hold well. But that's the way you can make a basic barn door that looks real good and lasts well, and they're fairly lightweight. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars for them. The materials for this cost me about $100, and then plus it's about $90 at Amazon for the black wrought iron, just a standard of track. And these are 84 inches long, so they'll cover up to the top of the door frame. If you ever wonder why you need 84-inch, it's because they need to come all the way to the top of the casing on the both sides of the door. That's where the casing ends out. And then when these are closed together, they will cover the casing on both sides. So that's a little video here on how to make the barn doors.